Hey friends, and welcome back to And Then There Was Style, your YouTube home decor channel. If you haven't had a chance to, please go ahead and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. And while you are there, definitely take a look at some of our older videos, sure to find something you like. But in today's video, let's take a look at a little known style called organic modern. So I have to be honest with you all. This is a style that I've heard of a couple of times, but I didn't really know how popular that it was becoming until here recently. Now, organic modern designs basically start with just a foundation of clean lines, modern rounded shapes and smooth surfaces, just like you would get with modern home decor. Now, these modern elements are then accentuated or boosted up a bit with natural materials like reclaimed wood, stone, leather, linen, burnished metal, and concrete, just to introduce texture and really an organic feel to the room. So, the organic modern interior design style really draws some of its inspiration from, of course, modern. We have some minimalism in there and even some boho design styles. It's all about designing a really refined space that's a little bit raw still, about adding layers of organic elements, forms, and hues against a backdrop of modern simplicity. So you may wonder, how do you capture the feel and the vibe of organic modern as it relates to your home or your space? The main key is to strike a balance between the airy and earthy elements of nature and the sleek lines and the really simple silhouettes of the modern home decor design theme. So my first tip for you would be to take a minimalist approach. Now, the organic modern style actually leans towards intentional simplicity, that feeling of less is more. But that doesn't mean you have to go full circle and just avoid everything in your home and give it that really stark, cold, minimalist look. You can still do it in a way that's going to bring some warmth in your home, and also those nature elements, those natural elements that you choose in the form of, depending on, how your home is laid out, wooden like coffee table or chairs or something that's going to bring some warmth as well. It's all about being extremely selective with your selections. Avoid clutter by tucking away knickknacks and maybe redistributing them to other rooms or areas of your home that are not in the organic, modern, inspired design style. Just really be sure to give everything in your space plenty of room, including accessories and decor. So my second tip to bring this style into your home is going to revolve around the color palette that you choose. Organic modern color schemes typically revolve around neutrals, including warm gray, soft taupe, creamy white, and even sometimes really subtle touches of black. Wood tones can range from light oak to rich walnut, and they really add depth to these color palettes. Now, if you do decide that you want to bring in a little more color, if that's just a little too neutral for you, you should definitely opt for really earthy hues that you would find in the earth, like olive green or even a terracotta. Look for shades with a warm tint and gray or brown undertones. It'll help tone down the brightness and it'll give you a more neutral, refined effect. So, tip number 3 is, because we are talking about a lot of modern furniture, which is going to have a lot of really simple, sleek forms and really pared down furnishings, it provides the groundwork for organic modern designs. But in this case, accessories are key to achieving a cozy, highly curated look. Incorporate neutral, natural materials through easy to swap in accessories like throw blankets, baskets, and even small decorative objects. However, like I mentioned in tip number one, it's really important not to overcrowd your room. This is not going to be a maximalistic type look. We're going to lean towards the other end for this home design, for this particular home design style. So, to maintain an uncluttered aesthetic, just choose a handful of decorative accents that you would really like to display that really says something to you. And then give each piece plenty of breathing room. So don't just kind of scoot them right next to each other. Give each piece a little room to kind of stand alone and be admired on its own. And as always, when it comes to some minimalist design, one large scale accessory will offer a bigger impact without cluttering up the space. So if you have a spare wall that you're trying to figure out what to do something with, one big, like huge, substantial piece of art is better than a gallery wall with maybe 5 or 10 smaller scale frames. Now, also, plants and greenery are another hugely fundamental element of organic modernism. Set houseplants in woven baskets or display them in shapely planters to introduce color, personality, as well as texture. Now, of course, if live planting is not your thing, if your thumb is not green, for a maintenance-free alternative, fill an oversized vase with branches or with faux greenery. Large leafy stems and feathery plumes of dried grasses, of course, pampas grass. I just did a short on that, check that out. But there are a simple way to add a sculptural element to the room and still giving you that nature vibe that you're looking for. Alright friends, so as we near the end of this video, please take a moment to let me know what you thought of this style. I figure it's just something new and different to bring to you all. I still say, if you are a person that likes modern but doesn't like sometimes the cool look of it, I feel like bringing in nature is a great way to warm up your space. So definitely know in the comment section if this is a keeper for you. So go ahead and tell me in the comments section, what do you all think of this organic modern style? Is it something that you can see in your home? If I were to have a room that I really felt drawn to, it would be this room right here. I absolutely love that mix of modern and nature, and I don't know, I'm really liking this style. As always, guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with other home decor lovers, and subscribe. Also hit that notification bell. I will see you in the next video. Bye, friends.